21st century America. An old saying goes, history is written by the victors. But as Chief Washington correspondent James Rosen reports, apparently that is no longer true when it comes to the curriculum for many of the nation's top high school students.
Every high school achiever has heard of Advanced Placement, or AP, the only courses most of them can take to obtain college credits. Few, however, know of their owner, a nonprofit called the College Board, which has expanded its framework for the AP History course from 5 to 98 pages. In the new framework, George Washington gets 2 mentions, half a sentence about his farewell address, and another along with a sole reference to Thomas Jefferson as 2 examples of the colonial elites who used the Revolution to retain their wealth and power. The founders' time is noted for its rigid racial hierarchy and strong belief in British racial and cultural superiority. Absent are Benjamin Franklin, James Madison, Andrew Jackson, Theodore Roosevelt, polio vaccine pioneer Jonas Salk, civil rights heroine Rosa Parks, Dwight Eisenhower, and Martin Luther King.
Everything in American history, according to this framework, is identity groups always in conflict and certain groups being oppressed by other groups. So it is really a radical departure from what AP history has traditionally been.
The College Board countered by releasing a sample AP history exam. It includes 3 questions about a feminist treatise from 1848 that decried man's history of tyranny over women, and 3 questions about this 2004 book, which detailed how immigration laws in the 20s worked to exclude Asians. Supporters say this allows students to move beyond George Washington and MLK, whom they heard all about in elementary and middle school.
So students have the opportunity to really get inside the story and understand the complexity. It's a very, very exciting way to approach history, and when it works, it engages students more and it prepares them better for citizenship.
Though he took office after this framework was developed, the president of the College Board, David Coleman, is also an architect of the controversial Common Core standards. A new poll by Gallup and Phi Delta Kappa finds most Americans are now aware of those federal standards and oppose them. In Washington, James Rosen, Fox News.